Module 5, we're going to do a little bit of background information here to help you out. It's about proportions and percents, and the module essential question, as you can read, is how can you use proportions and percents to solve real-world problems? Well, it kind of comes up as a great time because the holiday seasons are upon us, and you're going to see all kinds of markdowns going on in the sales world to get you in there to buy all your materials for the holiday season. So the module is broken down into 3 sections. Lesson 5.1, percent increase and decrease. Lesson 5.2, rewriting percent expressions. And lesson 5.3, application percents. So inside this module, you're going to learn to solve problems involving percent increase, percent decrease, and percent of change. Solve markup and markdown problems and use percents to find sales tax, tips, total cost, and simple interest. Now, we don't use sales tax in Delaware, but those of you who are familiar with Maryland, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, and Virginia, they use sales tax all the time. Okay, a little bit of background information for percents and decimals. Here's what I like to do. If you're given a number and it's in percent, just simply take that number and divide it by 100. So, for example, if we have 53%, simply divide that by 100. Okay, so you may also see it as 53 over 100. Okay, and if you type in your calculator, you're going to do it this way, and that's going to end up equaling 0.53. So this is the decimal here. Then you're going to take whatever number that is in the word problem is marked up by 53%. What is the new cost? So we have markup and we also have marked down. So if you have the original price, let's say that it is $25, and you're going to mark it up 53%. What is the final cost? So we're going to take 25 times 0.53, and that's going to equal 13.25. Now, keep in mind here, that is the amount of markup. So we now have to take the 25 plus the 13.25. And that equals 38.25. So what I've done here is I've created kind of some formulas that we could follow a little bit. And what you do is you take the original amount times the percentage. Of course, this is in decimal. And you're going to get a value from that. You're then going to go back to the original amount, and you're either going to add or subtract what you found, and then that's going to be what your final price or total, whatever is going to be. This is determined based on whether it's a markup or markdown. If it's a markup, it's going to be a positive. And it's going to be a subtraction if it's a markdown. So some new terms to get used to. And I hope this background information helps you out as you get started